Always here. Why? Just look at them all. They're all over the place. If you didn't know I'm inside the house, this way you can't hear anything. Looking through a window. See? Look at them go! Mara Dad says they always go after acorns. They're like acorn eaters. They just all come and take them all and then leave. Although I don't think the goats really left any. Let them go, though. Really? I'm recording right now. He lets me to watch YouTube on the TV with him. I'm watching the birds right now. I don't know yet, Kodo. Oh, okay. He's kind of sick right now, and he doesn't want to talk. There they go. Leave them go. I don't have the best view, but it's fine. There they are, they're leaving. Kind of. Well, they just went in those trees. Well, goodbye.